Okay, so let's start by creating a new Photoshop file. Just make it 320 by 100 pixels wide and press OK. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create the background or the rectangle shape, and we're going to do that by selecting the rounded rectangle tool down here on the left and just filling the space up like this. Press Ctrl T to adjust it a bit so it fills everything perfectly like this. Then copy this layer by pressing Ctrl J and removing the fill on the upper layer. So just remove it and add a stroke like this. Okay, so let's add a text real quick. Just select the text tool and type in, I'll say about. And by the way, I'm using the font Good Times, which I already recommended in my top 5 fonts video, because I don't know, I really like this font. It looks awesome. Just center it a bit like this. And yeah, now this looks a little bit boring, so we're going to add a few gradients to make it look a little bit better. So go to the Effects tab and press Gradient Overlay. And now create a gradient with a white start and a gray end like this. Press OK, and then also add an inner glow, which has to be white and really small, so it just is visible on the edges like this, which will give this whole thing a more metallic look. Press OK. Now go to the rectangle with this stroke and go to Gradient Overlay again, but this time make a blue gradient. So select a blue color at the beginning and a lighter blue color at the end like this. Press OK. So now you can leave it like that, or no, first of all you have to remove the background, of course, so delete that. And yeah, I like to make the background of the rectangle a little bit more grayish like this, but it's up to you how you like it. But yeah, that's it. Now if you're done, you can always change and export the images so you have all Twitch panels that you need for your Twitch channel. And yeah, that's it.
Stop it. Get some help.